Welcome to my channel, Luxury Car001. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and groundbreaking vehicles to be revealed in 2025, the Textron MMLT-X. This ultra-futuristic stealth Recon truck is not just a machine, it's a statement of power, innovation, and next-level design. It's been turning heads since its official unveiling, and for good reason. The Textron MMLT-X is engineered to operate in the harshest environments while maintaining an incredibly low visual and radar signature. Imagine a vehicle that blends stealth technology, tactical versatility, and rugged performance, all wrapped in a sleek, armored body that looks straight out of a sci-fi movie. Whether you're into high-end military-grade vehicles or just appreciate insane levels of tech and design, this truck demands your attention. Starting with its design, the MMLT-X doesn't follow any traditional playbook. The body is made of lightweight composite armor, shaped with sharp, angular lines that enhance stealth capabilities while making it look intimidatingly futuristic. It's equipped with a retractable sensor suite, integrated drone launch ports, and a next-gen communication array. This isn't just a truck, it's a mobile command and recon hub on wheels. Under the hood, you've got a hybrid powertrain system that balances raw power with silent electric propulsion. Perfect for stealth operations and low-profile missions, it can switch between modes seamlessly. Its all-terrain adaptive suspension system ensures it can handle deserts, snowfields, urban chaos, you name it. The MMLT-X can go places most vehicles wouldn't dare to attempt, and it does it with quiet confidence and unmatched efficiency. Inside the cabin, you're greeted by a cockpit that rivals most luxury SUVs. Touchscreen controls, tactical display interfaces, biometric security systems, and an AI-assisted driver co-pilot system make the ride not just powerful, but intelligent. It can be operated remotely, driven autonomously, or taken over manually with advanced controls that feel straight out of a fighter jet. One of the most futuristic elements of the Textron MMLT-X is its modular platform. Need it to serve as a recon vehicle, a command center, a mobile weapon system, you can reconfigure the back module in under an hour. This level of flexibility is something we rarely see in civilian or even high-end military vehicles. While it's primarily developed for advanced tactical missions, there's been growing buzz around the possibility of a limited edition civilian release. Imagine pulling up to an event in a street-legal version of this beast, it would redefine luxury in a whole new way. This vehicle isn't just about utility, it's about presence, innovation, and the future of mobility. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a luxury gearhead, or just someone who loves the cutting edge of vehicle design, the 2025 Textron MMLT-X is a glimpse into what's next. It's bold, it's smart, and it's ready for anything. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what you think about this futuristic monster. Stay tuned, Luxury Car001 has a lot more coming your way.